You are watching BitBNS News.
Today's headlines: number of SHIB holders surges more than 30% in a month. After the US, Spain gears up for Bitcoin ETF's launch by Banco Santander. Ether all-time high as total market cap nears $3 trillion. Leading NFT marketplace OpenSea surpasses $10 billion in all-time sales. JP Morgan doubled downs on the Bitcoin price prediction of $146,000. New York's new mayor wants schools to teach about Bitcoin and blockchain. Memento becomes the first NFT project to be featured on the Burj Khalifa. Kamal Hassan, first Indian actor to be part of Metaverse. With meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu making headlines over the past few weeks, the token has also recorded an influx of new holders. According to the data provided by CoinMarketCap, between October 10 and November 8, 2021, the number of Shiba Inu holders has surged 31.1% from 706,808 to 926,684. Over the same period, the value of SHIB has spiked at least 111%. In general, the rising number of SHIB holders has corresponded with the growing popularity of the coin that has continued to spike in value, attracting high-profile investors. Bitcoin ETFs have been a smash hit this year, especially since the launch of the first futures one in the United States last month. But the Spanish counterpart may not be far behind as well. As a matter of fact, the Spanish multinational financial services company, Banco Santander, is looking to release its very own Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. The appetite for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is growing at an unprecedented rate. Realizing the need to cater to this demand, Spain's Santander Bank is currently in the final stages of launching a Bitcoin ETF, according to reports. If approved, the investment vehicle would be the first of its kind to be rolled out by a Spanish bank. Interestingly, Spanish regulators have been reluctant to approve one, even as ETFs have witnessed stunning success over different parts of the world. The top two cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ether, both registered strong gains early Monday, following Bitcoin's Sunday price close of $63,312, a new record. Following the weekly close, BTC shot up 2.7% over the next hour and continued as high as $66,426 before entering a consolidation. Ether followed suit, registering an all-time high of $4,735 6 hours later, leading to a sharp jump in the total market cap of all digital assets, also at all-time highs. Market data site CoinGecko currently registered crypto asset market cap at $3.01 trillion. NFTs have become very popular in 2021, and the trend continues towards the end of the year. Just recently, Bitcoin.com News covered the NFT industry and market action data compiled by nonfungible.com. The report had shown 2021's third quarter broke records, surpassing the NFT metrics recorded in quarter 1 and quarter 2. Now, the leading NFT marketplace, OpenSea, has reached a record milestone, surpassing $10 billion in all-time NFT sales. OpenSea is the largest NFT market in terms of all settlements, and second largest NFT project is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has seen $2.99 billion in all-time sales and recently launched an NFT marketplace. Axie Infinity sales is 29.90% of OpenSea's all-time sales, and the NFT game built on the Ethereum network has seen 10,31,704 traders. JP Morgan released an inaugural report of its new publication last week, focusing on the outlook for alternative investments, including digital assets. A new report is expected to be released every 2 to 3 months. The firm's analyst, Nicolaus Panizir-Zoglau, has predicted that the price of Bitcoin could reach $146,000 in the long term, with a short-term price target of $73,000 for 2022. Digital assets are on a multi-year structural ascent, but the current entry point looks unattractive in our opinion. For an investment horizon of 12 months, as Bitcoin appears to have returned to its overbought territory, he explained. The newly elected mayor of New York City, Eric Adams, doubled down on his crypto support by indicating that children should study blockchain technology and digital assets at school. Being a global center of innovation, the Big Apple must open its arms for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency technology, the politician added. Crypto is the future and children should learn about it. The cryptocurrency ecosystem is gaining substantial traction, with the monumental landmarks such as Burj Khalifa becoming a part of it. Memento recently became the first ever NFT project featured on Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa has shattered 7 world records since 2011 as the tallest building in the world and a global icon. Standing at 828 meters tall, the building can be seen from all over Dubai. Getting featured on Burj Khalifa is a monumental feat as it marks the global acceptance of not only crypto but the project itself and its ideology. Memento is a next generation DeFi and NFT project with an aim to showcase some of the most fascinating moments of the past decade through their digital collectibles. Producer, director, actor and politician Kamal Haasan is said to become the first Indian celebrity to have his own digital avatar in a metaverse. Haasan, who turned 67 on Sunday, announced his entry into the digital space, with the launch of collectibles or NFTs and plans for his museum in an upcoming metaverse game from Fantico, an Indian licensed digital collectibles platform.